morning.
Good morning.
We're here at Wellington City right now, and we are going to go on a hike. Where are we going?
We're going to Belmont.
Alright. So is it an easy hike or a hard hike?
It's a pretty easy hike.
Alright.
Yeah, it's like a trail.
How long do you think it's gonna take?
Well, it depends on how slow you walk.
I run fast, so.
It's a few hours. Let's say about 4 hours return.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Alright. I wasn't expecting that. Okay, so let's find out how the hike is gonna be. Hopefully it's not too steep, or it's an easy hike, right?
Yeah, it's fine. You'll manage.
Right. Good. See you guys on the hike, but we're heading off first to a grocery store to get some carbs.
We need supplies.
Yeah, we need some carbs for this particular hike, and we are now driving through. Which area is this?
This is it's not the city centre, but it's close to the city centre. It's a little place called Ta'aro.
The Arrow area.
Yep.
Okay guys, see you in a bit.
This is the Belmont track.
Alright, we're finally here and we're starting our trek. This is called the
Belmont track.
Belmont track. So this is the Belmont Regional Park. There you go. Sadly, the weather's not very nice. It's drizzling, but yeah, it's going to be a fun hike still. What do you think?
Hopefully it's going to clear later on today.
Yeah, hopefully it does. Yeah. So this is how many hours again?
We're looking at about a couple of hours one way.
Alright, so that's very nice. I think. Okay.
Here we go.
Here we go.
Just like a dream, you and I standing wild and free, with petals so golden, the sun's warm kiss, a love so strong, a bliss. Whispers of the breeze, secrets unfold. It's you that I need, it's you that I want. When the world gets cold, it's you and me. When the sun comes back, you'll see. Oh, dandelion, the strength that you've shown, stronger each year. Look how we hold on through the toughest of times. We still stand strong. Through pavement we will grow. Forever we will grow. Deep within your eyes, I found a home. The love that we share can never grow. In your gaze, the world.
So we've been walking for an hour and a half now, and we just finished 4 kilometers at this point, and we still have about how many more?
We're almost at the stop, so I'd say we've probably got another maybe half an hour.
Alright, that'll be nice. And then we're gonna have some snacks, eat, rest for a bit, and then head back. This place is really nice. So beautiful. Look at the lush green. It's very quiet, and of course There's a very clean stream right here. Very beautiful. I love this place. We'll try to come back here again with hopefully better weather and more sun. But still, it's a good walk. It's a pretty easy trail, no?
Yeah, it's not a difficult trail
Yeah.
at all, and it's really well maintained.
Yeah, it's really nice. Look at that. It's beautiful. Thanks for taking me here. All right, see you guys at the pit stop. So we finally found a spot to relax and chill for a bit and have some snacks. So it's a really nice spot because you're overlooking the side of the mountain. Beautiful and quiet. There's even a nice stream right here. So we're gonna have some crackers and some chips.
Oh yeah.
And what else do we have? Some carbs, of course, some bread. And I was dying to have some sushi, but
We've got some coffee here as well.
we have some coffee too. And later on, maybe we'll pass by a grocery store and get the sushi that I saw earlier and that huge muffin that was as big as my face. So that would be our reward later. So we're having some bread with some ham. This is real good.
Yeah.
And then James also brought some
Tomatoes, ham.
and tomatoes. And then you have a bag of chips right here and some coffee. Not gonna go hungry. Look at the dogs. Oh, I miss Einstein. We finished eating and yeah, it was a good rest. And now we're heading back.
We're fat and full. It's time
my
to go
tummy's
back.
full. We have to go back, so it'll be another like an hour and a half or so. Yeah.
Yeah.
2 hours.
Mhm.
Heading back about walking for about 4 kilometers or so, right?
Yep.
Yep. So once again, this is the view here. And we're off.
In a world of green, just like a dream, you and I standing wild and free, with petals so golden, the sun's warm kiss, a love so strong, a bliss. Whispers of the breeze, secrets unfold. It's you that I need, it's you that I want. When the world gets cold, it's you and me. When the sun comes back, you'll see. Oh, dandelion, the strength that you've shown, stronger each year. Look how we hold on through the toughest of times. We still stand strong. Through pavement we will grow.
Hey guys, we're done with the hike. How was it?
It was really good. The weather
Yeah, the
actually
weather.
cleared up. It turned out to be
Cleared
a
up.
beautiful day.
Great. So we're heading back home now, right? Or are we passing by the grocery first?
We're heading back home.
Alright. Heading back home, and then plans for the afternoon would be maybe a nap. And then probably a dinner later in the evening.